Hey team, just a quick one. So what I've done is implemented Ecwid Sections. Basically, the old custom uh, code that we used to have to do was a bit annoying. And it was also, I don't know, just a bit prone to breaking. So I decided to do a kind of integration. It's not a full integration, but it's a bit closer. So very briefly, settings general. It's under general for now. It could move, but there's only really one setting at the site level anyway. It's only one setting, so it doesn't probably need its own page. There's just Ecwid Store ID. The store ID, I think you guys know how to get. Um, it's in the old embed code. So hopefully you guys know how to get it. Let me know if not, of course. And then once we've got that in there, that's all you need to do at the site level. And then at the page level, just where you want to put an Ecwid um, section, I'll just go down to the Ecwid sector. So there's no preview at the moment. I'll sort that out one of these days. There wasn't a preview for the old version either, so we're no worse off there. This is the old one. I've converted this one already, and I've just left the old one so you can see what the difference is. So this is the code that was there previously. This is the store ID, by the way, and this is the category ID. We're on the beef page, so this is the category ID that we need to grab. So we just copy that to our clipboard, Control C. Then in the Ecwid section, you just add it by, there's just a new section type Ecwid. Just click on that to edit it. There are two options. Come on. What's going on? Sorry, team. Okay, we're back. Cool. So there's two options. The first one is the category list. That is the thing that you see on the action safety site on the left-hand side. That's this guy here. This is the section. So this is a column section, two columns. This is the category list here. There's no settings for that. You don't need any settings. It just is. And then there's the product list. The only setting for this one is that category ID, which is that number that I just copied before. That's it. Um, if you just do those couple of things, it should just fly. Uh, yeah, so on the beef page, uh, it just it just works and it does exactly the same as what it did before. Just no custom code, which is good. So yeah, just to go through that real quick. So you'll recall we've had a couple of versions of it as we've kind of tried to get it working. One was a JavaScript version. I've left that here, but all commented out. So this is doing nothing. I've left it there just in case. Uh, and this one here is the HTML version, which is the later version. I've also commented that out, so that's also doing nothing at the moment. Um, we do not need to convert the old sections. So all the other sections on Sam's Butchery, I haven't converted them, but they should just work fine. No changes needed. I will personally I'll manually go through and convert them all just because I don't like having the old custom code lying around. But we don't need to do that right now. All the existing sites should fly. Yeah, so that's it. Please let me know if there's any feedback. Um, Possibly what we should do is gate it, so that users can't see it. I haven't looked into that yet, but that's definitely a possibility. Yeah, like I said, it's not a full integration. If it was a full integration, probably what we would have is on the beef page, um, in the Ecwid section, you would actually have, instead of the category ID, you would have a drop down list of the actual categories, and you would choose beef. But because it's not a full integration, we can't like retrieve data from the Ecwid API to display in here. Um, yeah, so that's we have to live with that for now. Uh, Hopefully that's satisfactory. We could extend it further in the future if Ecwid becomes, more of a thing. But yeah, that's what I've got. 4 minutes 48 seconds, not too bad. Thanks everyone. See you later.